Hi Eileen, Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about service solutions restoration and how you are presently in the web space and how it's affecting you and your competitors as well. So with that, let's get to it. So I really like on how you have your logo up here. You also have your call us in red. You have this call today tab. I like that you have this drop down right here. And also these are the services that you provide. Um, Looks like water damage is one of your number ones. Um, Here's your about us. Take a quick look down. Okay. Services, and you have these. These are not clickable, I see. I just kind of want to take a quick look. But before we get further into diagnosing your website, I kind of wanted to show you on how you can be found on Google. So, say you type in water damage restoration, San Diego, California. Um, these different businesses are going to pop up. The ones, of course, are the sponsoreds because they are paying for ads for Google, which we offer, by the way. But Express Restoration has this one here in that service area. So the second way you could be found is the map pack area, which is these three slots. So about 30% of your business would come from here. So 30% of people in that service area will call you from here. So that's the second way to be found is the map pack area. And the way to get in here is you got to beat these three businesses in their citations for that service area. So basically, in a nutshell, that's pretty much what you have to do. The third thing I want to talk about is organic section, and that's the third way that you could be found on Google. So it's these top, which is Yelp, Angie's List, and Bill Howie. Okay, those are the three top slots. Now, 70% of people that search are going to search and picked one of these three, so they're going to more than likely skip Yelp and Angie's and go straight to this one here, which is Bill Howie. So if you're not on these top three slots, you're basically just putting money on the table. So that's pretty much kind of how that works as far as that goes. So let's continue. Those are the three things that you could be found, the three ways, excuse me, and how you could be found. So Bill Howie is your competitor. If you do search, if someone searches for water damage restoration, San Diego. Um, so let's continue. Let's look at your website. Um, so now what we're looking for is content on your website. Google really loves content, and they really love 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. With that, you at least want to have um, a keyword for every 250 words of content. So say you have, for an example, 500 words of content. You want to put at least two keywords between those 250 words. So that's kind of what you want to put in there, so that way um, you could be found easier on Google. So from the looks of it, it looks like you have maybe 500 words of content. So let's take a quick look at your competitor and see what they have. Okay, here's Bill Howie. Okay, let's take a quick look. Okay, he's got clickables here, services. Okay, let's get your estimate. That's also clickable here. I don't like how he does not have keywords attached to his content. That's what it looks like. So it looks like he lacks content as well. So basically you all have the same content from the looks of it, from what I could see off the top of my head. So in content, he's definitely doesn't look like he's beating you in content. So it could be. Let's take a quick look at what your website is doing right now, presently. So this is a tool that anybody can use, and you can purchase it at any time. So basically, here is your website. Here's the UR, which is the strength of your website, and this right here is the trust that Google has. So depending on how much trust that you have with Google, this will go bigger. This rating right here. So it looks like you have 302 backlinks with 90 referring domains attached to them. You have 362 organic keywords with 180 organic traffic. Just kind of take a look at your keywords. Okay, this is what all your keywords that you're using for your traffic. So you want to make sure that you have the right traffic. Vineyard, I don't think Vineyard is a good one that you can. It's got, a 0 KB, but you're not having anyone search for Vineyard to find your business. So pretty much that's kind of how that works. So you kind of want to have the right keywords. So that's how you would rank organically. Let's kind of see what your competitor's doing, and let's compare it. It looks like they have a 45 out of 100 strength with 35 to 100 trust. Let's just kind of skip through here, but they have 11.1 organic traffic. So so basically this tells you right here, if they have referring domains, these are how many websites are tied to all your backlinks. So basically they have 1.564 do follows, which means that they are following all their referring domains organically in here. And it looks like they're probably using all their keywords. So they have their organic keywords as well that they are using as far as everything goes for that service area as far as ranking. So let's take a quick look at their organic keywords. So basically, on how to beat them, you basically need to just do what they're doing. We have access to all their keywords and everything, so we just have to beat them in content. Content alone would definitely push us up there. So we would need to at least put in there 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and also attach really nice keywords for that area, so that way you could be found more by your customers and get more leads. So that way that you can properly optimize your SEO, so that way you can have your backlinks and everything organically set in there, so that way you can have better SEO with backlinking and everything else. So with that being said, that's about all I have for you, and I really hope that this information was useful to you, Eileen. Um, like I said before, uh, these 3 organic spots are where you want to be. If not, then basically you leave money on the table. These guys have that slot under water damage restoration. So even if you did have their same keywords and everything, and say that you didn't have their content, then they would still be outranking you. So basically, we would have to um, do what they're doing and then some. So with that, I hope this was useful to you. Um, Feel free to contact me anytime. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO. If this is something that you need a guide for. If not, no harm, no foul. This is free information for you to use. So um, with that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you, and hopefully talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.